RIPPA BAISWAY Machinery Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of mini excavator, crawler dumper, road roller, concrete mixer machine. Our company has been adhering to the principles of market first, quality first, service first, and focusing on scientific and technological innovation, taking the market as the leading factor. We are located in Jining City, Shandong Province, with convenient transportation, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff are always available to meet your requirements and make customers satisfied. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment. Besides, we have obtained CE, ISO 9001 certificates, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Canada, Poland, the Middle East, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, Europe, South Africa. Our products fully meet the American market emission standards, and we can produce 3,000 units annually. We also can take OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your specific requirements. At present, we focus on innovation and development based on manufacturing, technology, talents, capital, and other advantages. And we will develop more and better products to serve the overseas markets well.